All right, here's the next project. Okay, so we've got an Arduino Nano, okay, and a sound sensor, the microphone. And this is an OLED screen which picks up the sounds and transfer it and shows that there is movement now as I'm talking. Okay, so if you put loud music, it'll move faster. This is a project that shows you the molecular structure in the water. As it gets hotter, the sound travels faster, and as it gets colder, travel less. That is science theory, which I don't have to prove anything there. That's a fact. But to do this, it's a bit difficult. I think it's working correctly, but it can be checked. I mean, it's not a major issue. It's just fun to play around with it. It's a hobby. So yeah, I like to play around with sound at a certain time. You can do sounds traveling through the water, simulation, and the molecular structure. And when the water heats up, the medium created by the molecular structure, it'll be more compact, so the sound will travel, more faster than if it's cold. And this is, obviously the atom structure, when it's hot, it vibrates faster, and when it's cold, it'll stop moving, and everything becomes frozen. Okay, so I'm not a scientist, so I shouldn't talk about this, but it's quite interesting. Sorry, guys. Okay, now let's have a look at the codes. Okay, you can go through, we'll post it on the web, on the YouTube. And usual process, initialization, and then I've used an analog pin, obviously, but you can use this one also. You can use the digital pin as well. Okay, so you can go through this sort of theoretical structure here with the particle X and Y. They move on the screen, as we can see. And now let's talk loud. Hello. You see more particle. And as also remember that you can adjust it here. Okay. That's the max. This is where it's a close between sound and non-sound, I think. All right. And I'll move. And there's a temperature. As the temperature increases, it should move faster. And also, obviously, they're moving with your sound. So, great. Thank you very much. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you just tell me, we don't like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.